Here's a do-it-yourself roof rack extension that you can use to carry 2 canoes. It'll fit on any standard roof rack that has slots for attaching accessories. You make up some bits and pieces and then you can fit it in place. You'll be creating something like this that locks into place. Those will fit down into the channel to snug it down. You need a piece of wood long enough, a nut, a washer, and a bolt. The bolt should be long enough to go through the wood, but you will need to adjust it for length once you figure things out. On the bolt, you'll grind off 2 sides so that you wind up with something that's like a slot, and that will fit into the channel. You may have to experiment a bit and make sure that it fits in your channel. Once you're done grinding it away, you should have something that looks like a rectangle, and that rectangle should fit inside the slot and be able to turn freely. You'll cut a slot in the top of the bolt and you'll use a screwdriver to adjust the cam locking mechanism. This bolt hasn't been cut to size, but you'll need to do that. When you're done, you'll have a nut to hold down with a wrench and the screwdriver you'll use to lock the channel in place. You'll need to drill a hole deep enough for the nut and the washer. And then you'll drill a hole through that the bolt can go through. To assemble it, the bolt that you created goes on the bottom. Then the washer. And finally the nut. All of that side should fit flush when you push it down, and you'll need a bit of room to make sure that it can go down into the channel, and you can do some testing there to determine how much. When you're done, you'll use a screwdriver to turn the cam to lock into the channel. That's what the top and bottom looks like. There you can see how flush the nut has to be. Sometimes you have to cut out a bit of wood when your roof racks have plastic pieces that stick up. To tighten it, I use a spark plug wrench and a screwdriver. That lets me slide through past the screwdriver and adjust the nut. Here I'm loosening it. And then I'll use the screwdriver to turn the cam to unlock it. And then twist it back to lock it in place. And to secure it, I'll hold the cam in place and then use the wrench to tighten it down onto the roof racks. That's what it looks like. Under the hood, I've taken some nylon straps. I've used a soldering iron to make a hole in it. I've taken off one of the bolts under the hood, put the web through, tighten it up, and then I slide a piece of rubber over top to protect the paint. When you're done, when you're tying things on, you can use those straps and that'll cinch down the front and back, and the roof rack extension will accommodate both canoes. It should be bomb-proof, and the rope at the back pulls to the front, the rope at the front pulls to the back. That way, accelerating or braking, you've got security. The roof racks are nice and secure, and there's no way that canoe is going to move. There you go, easy breezy.